Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out February and March's BoxyCharm. If you missed my unboxings for the February and March BoxyCharms, I will link them up here so you guys can go watch them to kind of see what I've got. So yeah, I'll just make this intro kind of short and sweet. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So let's get on into the BoxyCharm makeup. Okay, so ignore my hair. I have not straightened it today yet. Okay, so first up we are going to be setting our face with Ciate, Kate, London. I don't know how to say this, but it is the Everyday Va-cay Coconut Setting Powder. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. Looks like it just has a little bow on it. And then it just looks like a regular kind of powder. And then you take the little clear thing off and this is what it looks like. It looks like just a finely milled powder actually. It smells like coconut. It's like it's a pretty heavy scent, but we're going to try it. We are just going to set our under eyes first like I normally would do. It is very powdery. And it is like a white powder. It's not like translucent. It's white. Straight up like stark white. Okay, so right off the bat, I definitely do not like it for setting my under eyes. But I am just going to take my beauty sponge from e.l.f. and set the rest of my face. I forgot I actually had these from the BoxyCharm, so I'm going to use the big fluffy brush in this pack. And this is the brand Alamar. I've never really heard of them, but this is called a bronzing brush, but I think I'm going to use it for powder today. Okay, so I don't really like this for setting your face. I don't think it really does like anything really. I don't like it. Like, it's stark white. It doesn't have any kind of tint to it. So now I look super white in my opinion. So I'm not a big fan of it. But I guess if you have problems with your like foundation kind of oxidizing too much and you kind of want to tone it down a little bit, maybe this is going to be good for you. I personally really don't like it, but that's just my opinion. Okay, next up we are going to bronze the skin. So I would never really use this for a bronzer brush, but I guess for today's video I am going to. But I'm just going to take my normal Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in Cool to bronze up the skin. I know it's dirty and it's totally well used because it's such a great bronzer. I use it pretty much every day. I'm just going to stamp it and then blend it. I mean, it's not a horrible brush, but I feel like it's a little too big for my taste, but we're just going to keep moving. And I'm going to use that same bronzer to contour my nose. Well, I don't guess it's that bad for a bronzer brush. I mean, it did the job, and I think it actually looks really good. And next we are going to use the complexion brush to do our blush. I'm just taking the blush from this palette right here. And I used this in my Taupe video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that up on the screen right here. It's really soft. We're going to take a dual fiber brush and blend everything out. And next for eyebrows, I'm a little nervous about this, honestly. And you'll know why, especially if you watch my unboxing video for the March's box. But this is the Kat Von D Signature Brow Precise Pencil, and it is in the shade Taupe. But this is what it looks like. But then I opened it up and it was really dry. Like, already dried out. Like, you can tell right, like, just by looking at that, it's dry. So I'm a little nervous. It probably won't even come off on my brow, but you know, we're going to test it out for the sake of the video. But I do like that it has a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other end. So we'll try to make it work. If not, I got to back up. So Y'all excuse the bulldogs, they are on a whole new level today, so no controlling them about the snorting, so I'm so sorry, but it's just background noise to me. But if it's so annoying to y'all, let me know. Here goes nothing. I mean, some of it's coming off, but it's not like a lot. This is my bad brow, so I don't really have high hopes for it, but yeah, it's just not a lot of pigment payoff for me. Like, I need a little bit more payoff. I mean, it's good, but it's not great, especially as far as pigment. But I guess if you're one of those people that just want to kind of fill it in just a little bit with a pencil and then go in with like a brow gel like I do, maybe it's not that bad. But maybe mine is just really dried out. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, like, it's red right here just from trying to get like more pigment onto the brow. But I don't know if it's just because mine is just that dried out or what. So right off the bat, I'm probably gonna have to pass on it, but I don't know. I'm gonna go into Sephora to try to look for this eyebrow pencil when they do open back up, because Ulta and Sephora is closed right now, in case y'all did not know. So I'm gonna do as many videos as I can, but it's kind of hard to get new stuff. I mean, their online is open, but to return stuff or like order more stuff, it'll take, you know, like 3 to 4 business days to return stuff, and then 3 to 4 business days to get stuff in the mail. So I'm gonna do as many videos as possible. I do got some stuff to do, like Foundation Fridays and like a full face of new first impressions, so we're gonna try. I'm just gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution eyebrow gel in ash brown. I'm not sure the name because I use it so much that's kind of rubbed off, sorry, but it's really good. So if you need a good brow gel, definitely go get this one, and you can't miss it. It's the one with like the kind of dual chrome top. Okay, and the next up for eyes, it is the BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. And like I said, I don't know if it's called Hello Charmer or it's just, you know, an eyeshadow palette by them, because I looked for a name on it and I could not find it. So maybe it is just called Hello Charmer. But this is what the colors look like. Very, very, very pretty. And so we are just going to kind of do like a neutral look today, but use probably 2 of the more neutral kind of shimmer shades in it. But first off, for the transition shade, I am going to use Spoiler right here. It's pretty pigmented. And we are just going to concentrate this shade in the crease and above the crease, kind of towards our eyebrow bone. And then to deepen up the crease, I am going to go in with Cup of Joe. Cup of Joe. Which I drink every morning. Whoops. So far, these colors are really pigmented. I do have to say it does have quite a bit of kick up, which I'm not like that picky about it, as long as it doesn't, like, you know, kind of ruin the other eyeshadows or kind of affect them. But I know some people are super picky about it, so just keep that in mind. And we are going to take it below the lash line. And then we're going to take the first blending brush and blend out the edges. And then to deepen up the outer V, we're going to take Exclusive. It is kind of like a shimmer color, but it looks kind of matte too, like under it. And for all over the lid, we're going to go in with Sneak Peek, which is kind of like a champagne brownish kind of shimmer color. I think it'll be really pretty all over the lid, actually. Yeah, that's really pretty. And then to highlight, we're going to use this color, Pop Up. That's really pretty for an inner corner highlight. Okay, so that is all for this eye look. I think it turned out really, really well. It is kind of a neutral eye look, which that's what I really like, and that's what I was going for. So I am just going to jump off camera and do mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it for the eye look. I really like it. I think it turned out good. It's really perfect for like every day, and the neutrals are really pretty. The shimmer shades also have really good pigment and payoff, so I give this palette a 2 thumbs up. And before we move on to lips, I do want to try the brightening brush that I have right here. I do have some Essence Brighten Up banana powder, so let's see how this brush goes. I like it. It actually did a really good job brightening everything up. Okay, and then for lips, I do have Becca Ultimate Lip Definer in Charming, and then I do have Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick in, what do I have? In Stripped. So this is like more of a burgundy reddish color, and this is more of a brown peachy color. So I think for this look, I'm going to go in with this color, and we'll try this one in a different video. This is what the shade looks like. I think it's really pretty, and I think it'll go really well with this look. It smells like something, and I can't put my finger on what it smells like. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I really like it. I think it's perfect for an everyday look, especially the lipstick and the eyes, because, I mean, you know, I don't like wearing lipstick, especially like bright colors or any kind of lipstick really like on a daily basis, but I feel like this is like a really pretty neutral color to wear every day. The powder I'm unfortunately going to have to pass on. It just didn't work for me, so I'll try it again. Maybe I'll use it like as a brightening powder, but for like a setting powder, it just doesn't work for me, but that's just my preference. I do really like the brushes that came in the March BoxyCharm, so I give them a 2 thumbs up. The lipstick I also really like. I think it's perfect for an everyday kind of look. I'm also going to have to pass on the Kat Von D eyebrow pencil. I don't know if mine was just dried out, but I didn't get like a lot of pigment payoff. And last but not least, I love this eyeshadow palette. I think it's really pretty for an everyday look. But it also has some pinks and blue in here in case you want to give it like a pop of color or kind of be like a little more dramatic with your eye look. So that is everything from the BoxyCharm boxes for the past 2 months. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And click that subscribe button before you guys leave. And hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I do upload. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!